Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to keep track of your team's performance and sales results without hitting paywalls? In this video, I'll show you exactly what you can monitor in Bitrix24 for free. First, for sales results, go to your CRM dashboard. Here, you'll see key widgets like the sales funnel. This shows you how many deals are in each stage and your overall conversion rate, all for free. You can also check the sales graph to see new deals created over time and spot your busy periods. For team activity, the activity stream is your best friend. It shows you a live feed of what everyone is doing, new tasks completed, calls logged, and deals moved in the pipeline. To see individual performance, go to the Employees section. You can view each team member's activity report, showing their completed tasks, calls made, and deals worked on. While the free plan has some limits on deep analytics, these built-in reports give you a powerful, real-time view of your team's productivity and sales health, and that's it. You can effectively monitor your business's pulse using these free tools in Bitrix24 for if these reports help. If you manage your team better, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.